Alright, so here I have some very simple code just displaying some text saying hello world and then a light blue background gradient, as you can see right here. Now, what I just learned is that if you put these lines of code, an audio player should appear, which it has right here, and I can put pretty much any audio I want into this thing right here. Let me just center it real quick. So yeah, I can now put anything I want into this audio player. But that's not all. I can also go into here and type in autoplay. That means whenever you load the website, it will play automatically. But that's not all. I can also go into here and say loop, which means that now, whenever I load the website, the audio will start playing immediately and loop forever. And I started thinking, this is pretty much all you need to make music. So that is exactly what I'm going to be trying to do. Now, to actually make music, I need to find sounds. And the way I'm gonna be doing that is going to Google and looking up free sample packs. Now, what a sample pack is just a folder with sounds. And there are a bunch of these available for free online. There are sites like Cymatics, there's freesound.org. I'm just gonna be going through these websites and picking some sounds. Okay, so here I have a kick, a hi-hat, and a snare. Now, what I want the drums to do is that I want the kick to loop like this, the hi-hat to loop like this, and the snare to loop like this. Now, all I have to do is render these clips out and make sure that they're the right length. They should then, when I load them into the website, play a 2-bar loop or a 2-bar rhythm. Now, something I just realized as well is that in order to use the autoplay and the loop function, I have to get rid of the controls, which means that you won't actually be able to see anything, you'll just hear the audio. So the audio player goes away, but the audio is still playing. Now, if I make a bunch of more audio tags and just put the hi-hat and the snare, we should be good to go. Okay, so moment of truth. Nothing happened. Okay. What? Why is nothing happening? Okay, so turns out that audio players in HTML aren't very reliable. They keep going out of time when they loop, which is very inconvenient when you're trying to keep everything the same beats per minute. If I go into here, if I go into FL Studio, this is what the audio players should be playing. But instead, we get this. So yeah, this is a pretty big issue. I don't think I'm gonna be able to work around it. So this video is a throwaway. Fuck. I've already edited like 90% of this. I don't know what to do now. In order for the song to sound not offbeat, each and every single sample needs to be in the same BPM, which means beats per minute. And the fact that the audio controller, this thingy right here, isn't really reliable when it comes to looping audio, makes it so that each sample is a completely different BPM from the other, even though it shouldn't be. So yeah, point is, the looping function isn't really perfect, which makes making music very difficult in HTML. God, I do not know how to end this video.